Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Volkswagen Golf TDI, stock number E1036XA. Only 64,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black in color. Golf is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear washer, wiper, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear with a removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This TDI has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read gauges. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Cruise control. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed manual transmission. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices and direct iPod connectivity. And a spacious glove box with all the owners. Under the hood, this Golf has a 2-liter turbocharged diesel 4-cylinder, 140 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 30 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 42 on the highway, new brakes, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.